Stop believing this gym myth because this one idea is quietly slowing down a lot of people's progress. And the worst part is, it sounds right. If you've been in the gym in a while, you've probably heard this before. You need to constantly switch up your workouts, keep your body guessing, or you'll stop progress. But that's the myth. And the reason why most people believe this, because it sounds logical, right? If our body adapts, you need to start changing things, right? But that's not actually how progress works. Progress works from building from the same movements and getting better at them over time. Perfect example, lifting with more weight. So let's say you're gonna do bench, right? And then when you start benching, you started at 135. And then from there you went to 185 to 225. As you see, as time goes on, you're gradually getting better at benching. Your control is getting better, you have better form, or you have better reps. That's how your body adapts. Not from confusion, but from progression. And this is why this myth hurts so many people. When you're constantly switching up exercises, you don't get stronger at anything. You don't get to track real progress, and you get to stay in your beginner phase. It feels like you're actually doing more, but you're, oh my God. I don't know if you guys can hear the my windows open, and at this people, my thing wants to be like busy all of a sudden. I hope you guys could hear what I was saying. Anyway, back to what I was saying. It feels like you're doing more, but you're actually slowing yourself down. This is what you should do instead of switching it up. Pick a couple key movements and stick to them. I always like to tell people, if you don't enjoy the workout you're doing, you're not going to actively stick to it long term. So a perfect example, let's say for me, right? I enjoy squatting. I don't really enjoy squatting, but it applies in this case. Squatting, benching, pull-ups, some type of overhead press, and weighted dips. Like these are workouts I enjoy doing. So it's important you stick to them and you run them for weeks, even months, and then you track your progress. Like a perfect example, I know for me, when it comes to weighted dips, one of my goals eventually, I want to be able to do like 4 to 5 plates on dips, but it's completely like situational to the point where it's something I have to work towards. Compared to like, let's say I was doing weighted dips one day, then the next day I decided to do like, I don't know, barbell shoulder press. Then the next day I'm doing dumbbell shoulder press. I'm not necessarily getting better at any of these workouts. I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. So I think it's important you find stuff that you find stuff you enjoy. Consistency beats variety, especially early on in the beginning of your workout journey. So now you're probably wondering, when does variety matter? Now this doesn't ever mean you don't change anything. I'm not saying like I only do squat, bench, deadlift, weighted dips, pull-ups, etc., etc. Variety has its place, but it's important. It should support your progress, not exactly or change it. The big takeaway is your body doesn't need to be confused. It just needs a reason to adapt. And once you give it a reason to adapt, that's not necessarily confusion. That comes from progressing. You're gonna see more results. So I'm basically saying, like, try something out. Like, you don't just want to do something for like a week or 2 weeks. Like most results take anywhere between 8 to 12 months. A perfect example is like when you see people who do a weight loss program, they're doing it for 90 days. Because it takes 90 days for you to see any type of concrete results when it comes to anything. So let's say, for example, the most popular split is push-pull legs. You're gonna run push-pull legs. You should at least do that for a bare minimum 6 weeks. I think that's too short. But you should at least do something for at least 6 weeks. Try it out, see how you move, see how you're progressing, see how your body likes it. Before you're so hastily ready to like switch to something else. Just because you're not really giving yourself a chance to really try these movements, see what works for you, see what doesn't work for you. You're just constantly switching. And that's the trap most people fall into. And I think it's really important, like you figure out what your goal is, how you want to best attack it, and then you go from there. So anyway, enough of my rambling. So if you've been switching your workouts every week, try to stick to the same lifts and actually improve them. You'll be surprised what happens. Hope this helps.